Alright, here it is, Memorial Day. First of all, I want to thank all our troops that are serving their country, Lord. And we just thank them for their dedication and protection. You have to remember, I wouldn't be showing this video if people hadn't lost their lives. Anyway, okay, this is I harvest my potatoes a little early because I wanted to put some sweet potatoes in, so I'll show those. But anyway, I got 3 boxes, and I got them broken up by size. Pretty good sized ones, and the smaller ones, because they don't last as long, and then the medium size. Alright, out to the garden. Alright, I started harvesting my onions, and for some reason or another, I had a bazillion, and it must be the dirt. I don't know, I have to look into this, I'm not sure. But they all started, about 90% of them seeded out. And I think that makes them smaller. So I don't know. But anyway, that's the onions, white onions, part of them. I still got quite a bit more to pick. And then I harvested the garlic, and I'm letting them dry out. This is what I mean. Look at all the, I don't know, the males or females, but they just, it's got to be something in the dirt. I don't know. It's the first time I've ever had this happen, so this is a new experience. But I mean, they flowered out, so it does hurt the overall size of the onion. But anyway, I got all those to go. Those are about the same size as the ones in there that I'm drying out. Alright, the potatoes were right here. So I dug them early, probably 3 weeks probably. So I had a lot bigger ones, but I wanted to go ahead and get some sweet potatoes in. So I dug my potatoes and I went right behind them with sweet potatoes. They're hard to find right now, for some reason or another. Heard there was a disease in them or something. I don't know, really, but I found some and I got them in. And the Lord blesses with the rain right after I put them in. Yeah. I've started thinning out the carrots, so they're probably 2 weeks to 3 weeks from harvest. That's a lot of carrots. The beets, we've been eating on the beets. Of course, the tomatoes going absolutely berserkers. So they're looking pretty thick in there, so we'll see how they turn out. I like them like that because it helps shield the other ones from the sun. Now, I've already said that. Okay, and the muscadine vine's coming along. Got it protected now. Now here's a contrast. See, these are the same onions, just a little bit later, but I've only got 1 or 2 throwing up females and males. I'm not sure what they are, but these are getting big. Corn is starting to tassel now. Yeah, I'll be 6, 7 foot, 8 foot tall by the time it tassels out. That's corn's looking good. Got the peppers and all, got cages around them. Jan's herbs. And all my beans have started coming along and starting to bloom. Green beans, purple hull peas, and then I think pinto beans. Then the okra's over there. I got my squash a little too close, so the leaves, I'm having to work with the leaves on them for shading the okra right popping up good right there. Right there's the okra, and see the squash has already taken it over. I got that a little too close. Okay, we'll see how it does in another month. And the kid garden, I got them some tomatoes. I staked theirs, so I got them some salad tomatoes and planted a couple watermelons, so it's going to be real nasty in here, but they want a watermelon. I don't have room in my garden, so some squash and some cucumbers. Right, they grow up the fence and then they can pick them. Right there, cucumbers. So, okay, and I got them a little walkway so we can see our goaties and animals. Alright, that's it.